Juicy.
Juicy, juicy. We're gonna make a movie. It's gonna record us.
Can we make a movie?
Yeah, and then you can see yourself on the TV. Is that cool?
I love what we're doing.
So I wanted to take you guys through some things that we make as basically healthier versions of kids' favorites. So we're gonna take you guys through how we make mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese.
Should we make some juicy mac and cheese?
Yeah.
What do we have?
We have noodles.
Noodles. So I like to use single ingredient noodles. You could get a high protein noodle if you want. I like the taste of regular noodles better. So these are single ingredient, just organic whole durum wheat flour noodles. All right, so we got our pot full of water. We always salt our water.
We want our noodles to taste juicy.
Yes. You wanna help me put the noodles in?
Yeah.
A little more, little more, little more, little more, little more. Perfect.
Perfect.
So our noodles are all done cooking. You're gonna wanna leave those a little al dente because we're gonna keep cooking those later. And if you're like us, we make a bunch at once and then we reheat them all the time. So we're gonna cook them more, so we don't want them cooked all the way through yet.
Hot. Well, come out to go watch it and we can finish it later.
All right, so we're gonna make now just the rest of our cheese sauce for the mac and cheese. So you only need a tiny bit of flour, a teaspoon of flour. Can you hand me the milky?
I'm so strong. Can't.
Good job. So a little bit of milk if you're like us. We don't really measure. Enough to cover the bottom of the pan. Next up is yogurt. So this is gonna take the place of the butter. And it's gonna be what really increases the protein content in our mac and cheese, which we love, right?
Yeah.
Some for me, some for you. Juicy?
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
I like that yogurt.
You wanna give me some cheese sticks?
Cheese. Okay, Dad.
You open this one.
I don't know if I can open it.
It's pretty tricky.
I can open it. I can open it, Dad.
Okay.
I'm good at opening these.
Need help?
No.
Good job, you almost got it. I just break these up. They'll melt down pretty easily, but I just break them up to melt a little faster.
Do we have to take them apart?
Yeah, you want to? You're gonna get a little messy. You want me to do it or you wanna do it?
I want to do it.
Okay, see if you could rip it.
Gotta rip it?
Yeah, rip it. Get it. Good job.
I got this one.
Good job.
Can I go put it in there?
So we're making some of our homemade nuggies at the same time. We'll show you guys that recipe next. But we need the rest of our cheese, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let's get a juicy handful of cheese in there. Should do a little bit more?
Yeah.
Nice and cheesy?
Yeah, nice and cheesy.
Okay. And now we're just gonna add our noodles back in and let that all melt and come together.
My mac and cheese.
Yep, it's all ready. So that comes together into some ooey gooey mac and cheese.
Did the cheese melt?
Yeah, I sure did. All right, mac and cheese is all done, but moment of truth. Let's see if it's juicy.
Juicy.
Juicy, juicy. Same things that I teach with all people, really. We're trying to use minimally processed ingredients as much as possible and increase the protein as much as we can in our meals. So for Daddy and Duder,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.